I think what you can make consistent will make you successful. And, again, choosing the right truck, something that you can afford, something that you can work on, something that's available. Again, having the reputable carrier and planning for the future, I would say, is a really big key and something that's hard to do. Balancing your home life finances and your trucking life finances, but sometimes freight pays really well and you're doing a lot of miles, and setting the money back is tough to do sometimes. And then stopping and looking at your equipment saying, okay, the tires are getting thin. I did hit something at the fuel dock the other day and the bumper's kind of hanging down on one corner and you've got a check engine light on. It's like you do need to keep up the equipment so you can lean on it. That's what makes you money. But waiting too long to make a repair typically can snowball into something much worse and very costly. But then just consistently putting a little back, because it will break.
Yeah.
New trucks have new truck problems. Used trucks have used truck problems.
Mhm.
And one costs a lot more upfront than the other. That's kind of it. But at some point, you're going to want to upgrade, or you want to add a truck or something. Just set
Yeah.
yourself up to be able to do it.